right now. So this is the concept in theory of equations, finding quotient and remainder. So division of the polynomials. First we will do by the usual division, right? So f of x equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 26x minus 24 is divided by x minus 4. F of x is divided by x minus 4. We take this x minus 4 as g of x. So f of x is divided by g of x. We have to find the quotient and remainder. See, this is the 7 divided by 2. So we are dividing with 2. 3 times 6. The remainder is 1. So 7 is the f of x and this 2 is the g of x. This is f of x. And this is the quotient. We can take it as q of x. And this is the remainder. Let it be r of x. How you write as 7? 7 equal to 2 into 3 plus 1. So f of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. This is the division algorithm for real numbers. This is division algorithm for real numbers. And this one is the division algorithm for polynomials. So division algorithm for polynomials. So f of x by g of x. First I do the usual method. Later we have one more method that is called the synthetic division. That is a very simple one. But first I solve by the usual division. As we know previously. X power 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 26x minus 24. And we are dividing with x minus 4. This is the x. And here we require x power 4. So we should multiply with x cube. This x into x cube, x power 4. So multiply the x into x cube, x to the power 4 minus 4x cube. Always subtract. Minus, this minus will become plus. X power 4 minus x power 4 gets cancelled. Minus 6x cube plus 4x cube minus 2x cube plus 3x square. See, here it is the x and here we require minus 2x. So we should multiply with minus 2x square. So minus 2x square. X into minus 2x square. Minus 2x cube. Minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8x square. So this will be minus plus. This will become minus. Minus plus. Cancel. 3 minus 8. Minus 5x square. And the next one is plus 26x. So this is the x and here it is minus 5x. So we should multiply with minus 5x. So minus 5x. Minus 5x into x. Minus 5x square. Minus 5x into minus 4. Plus 20x. So plus minus. Both cancel. 26 minus 20x. That is the 6x. And the last one is minus 24. So here it is x minus 4. You should multiply with 6. Plus 6. 6x minus 24. Minus plus. G. So this is the g of x. Then what is the quotient? This is the quotient. Q of x. And what about the remainder? R of x. Now how you write this one? F of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So this is the division algorithm for polynomials. So what is the answer? F of x equal to, what is the g of x? X minus 4 into, what is the quotient? X cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6 plus what is the remainder? 0. So the quotient is q of x and here the remainder is 0. This is the usual division you have done in the lower sections. Okay. Right. So the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, then what is that meaning? X minus 4 is factor of f of x. Suppose see, this is the 4. 2 is the factor of 4. 2 is the factor of 4. That means when you divide with 2, see, 2 times. What are the remainder? 0. The remainder is 0. What does it mean? 2 is the factor of 4. Okay, here the remainder is 0. That means x minus 4 is a factor of f of x. X minus 4 is a factor of f of x. This is the whole thing we have to do. But there is a very simple method. That is synthetic division or Harman's process. Let us see. Synthetic division. Harman's process. Synthetic division or Harman's process. This is the method. Here we are dividing with the g of x. X minus 4 equal to 0. So this method is for the linear polynomial. That is for the x minus 4 or x minus 3 like that. X minus 4 equal to 0. Then what is the x equal to? 4. First see how this method works. Write the quotients of f of x. What is the x power 4 quotient? 1. What is the x cube quotient? Minus 6. What is the x square quotient? 3. Suppose there is no x square term, then you should put 0. That means 0 into x square. If there is no x square term, you should put 0. Here x square quotient is 3. What is the x quotient? 26. What is the constant? Minus 24. And you start with x equal to 4. See, the first step is always put 0 here. Put 0. What is the 1 plus 0? What is the 1 plus 0? 1. 1 into 4. Observe this one. Always put 0 here. What is the 1 plus 0? 1. 1 into 4? 4. Minus 6 plus 4. Minus 2. Minus 6 plus 4. Minus 2. Minus 2 into 4? Minus 8. What is the 3 minus 8? Minus 5. Minus 5 into 4? Minus 20. What is the 26 minus 20? 6. 6 into 4? Minus 24. This is the last one. Six into 4, 24. Minus 24 plus 24, 0. The last one is the remainder. The last one is the remainder. That is the 0. R of x. The remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Now, what are the q of x? The quotient is constant term, x square quotient, x cube quotient. 1 into x cube, minus 2x square, minus 5x plus this. This is the quotient and the remainder. So, this is the simple method. This is called synthetic division or Harman's process. So once again I am telling you, so I rub the whole thing. So this synthetic division or Harman's process is only when we divide with the linear polynomial. That is the first thing. Linear polynomial x minus 4. Then x equal to 4. Root is the 4. Right? So we have to find the quotient and remainder. First thing. What are the quotients of f of x? What is the x power 4 quotient? 1. What is x cube quotient? Minus 6. What is x square quotient? 3. What is x quotient? 26. What is the constant? Minus 24. Again I am telling you, if there is no x cube term, x power 4 plus 3x like that, there is no x cube term, then you make the quotient as 0. And what is the factor? X equal to 4. Always start with 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into 4, 4. Minus 6 plus 4, minus 2. Minus 2 into 4, minus 8. 3 minus 8, minus 5. Minus 5 into 4, minus 20. 26 minus 20, 6. 6 into 4, 24. Minus 24 plus 24, 0. The last one is the remainder. Then what is the quotient? This is the remainder. R of x equal to 0. The remainder is 0 means x minus 4 is factor of f of x. And what is the quotient? Constant term. X quotient, x square quotient, x cube quotient. X cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. That is the quotient and remainder. Okay. Let us do one more problem. One more problem. Now the question is,